Hi, this is Kristen, and today you're watching an instructional video on how to use Canvas as a student. We'll be going over tips and tricks that will help you better navigate the Canvas app and give you a better learning experience. We'll go through all the different tabs and tools that allow you to view classes and grades, submit assignments, and receive notifications from your teachers. Okay, so here we are on the courses page of the Canvas app. From here, you'll be able to manage your courses, but we'll get into that later. For now, let's take a look at the tab labeled To Do. Here you can view upcoming assignments, quizzes, and tests by clicking on them. Let's tap on the first one. We can now see a description of the assignment along with a due date. If a teacher has attached a document to the assignment, you can click the link to view it and even download it to Notability to complete the work. To submit the assignment, click the tab labeled Submission, followed by the colored Turn In button. Under the Notifications tab, you can view notifications sent to you by your teachers. You'll want to keep an eye on the Calendar tab as well, as it shows what assignments are due on what day, so you can stay ahead of the game. The Inbox tab allows you to stay in touch with teachers and fellow group members when working on your assignments. Going back to the Home tab, a little fun tip to keep in mind is that you can change the colors of your courses to help keep yourself organized. To do this, click on the pencil icon in any one of your courses. Let's take a closer look into these course folders. On their home page, your teacher will often have a short bio for themselves and their class. They will sometimes include their email as well, in case you need to keep in touch with them that way. By clicking People, you'll see a list of the students enrolled in the course. Find more details about the course under Syllabus, where your teacher will have their syllabus stored, whether it's a year-long course or just one semester. Under Announcements, you can see notifications from your teacher specific to that course. The tab Assignments will have a list of all upcoming work in the class. To access worksheets and documents, either go to Files or Modules and download them to Notability. Grades is the most important tab. Here, you can view grades from either quarter individually or the semester as a whole. On the Home Courses page, you can easily view these grades by tapping on the grade icon in the upper right-hand corner. Hide them by tapping the icon once more. Under the gear icon, you can manage which courses are hidden and which you want to see at the moment. The button in the top left-hand corner takes you to a Settings page where you can allow your device to receive notifications from Canvas. The last point we'll go over together is how to download documents from Canvas to Notability and how to submit those assignments. Choose a course and find the file you want to download. Tap on the Export button in the upper right-hand corner and choose Notability. Your iPad will automatically navigate to Notability and begin downloading the file. Once it's downloaded, choose which folder you'd like to save the file in. You can then view and change the title of the document. To send it back to Canvas, click the Export button in the upper left-hand corner and choose Canvas. Again, your iPad will navigate itself to the Canvas app, where you'll get a message saying the document is ready to submit to assignments. From there, you can find the assignment, click Submit, and turn in your homework. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning these helpful tips on how to use Canvas. Leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. If you have any questions, leave a comment or email us at bvstudenttech@gmail.com.